Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new stamps. This is our Meadowbrook Tales. So we have some brand new stamps. I've been super busy designing these. They work perfectly with some of our older stamps, which is really important. So I'm going to take you through the cards that I've been making over the last few days. I've really enjoyed creating these cards. So we've got a new tree with, this is Moonbark. We've got a new little hare. This is Ashfoot. And as you can see, some of our houses from a previous collection from quite a long time ago, actually. We've got a bear. I know that a few of you have been asking me to design a bear, and here it is. We have the lovely Ashryn here, who sits perfectly on top of our tree stump. This is called Faelorn Rest. We've got a couple of new mushrooms. We've got Faedew, and we have got Rune Cap. And we've got some nice little words as well to go along with this collection. Oh, and we've got a new fairy. We have Eryn, our lovely new fairy. So I'm just going to take you through all these cards that I've been busy making over the last few days. Again, you can see this lovely tree root here. I think this works superbly with all the mushrooms and the fungi. Our lovely little magpie as well. He's perched perfectly on top of there. Each card, you know, tells a story, and that's really important. That I always design the stamps to tell a story, and you guys, you're really good at that. So yeah, we've got another one of those, and got our lovely tree root again. A lot of these cards I've actually created videos now, so you'll be able to see all these being made over the course of the next few days or few weeks. So do stay tuned, and I hope it's inspired you. I'm super excited about it. We all are here, and I hope that you are too, and I hope it's inspired you. Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and I'm here to create this lovely tag today using some of our brand new stamps. So we've got our lovely new well here, and we're going to be using the gel press today along with some of our element inks. So let's get started. And there we go, guys. So another quick, easy tag to create. This is on a watercolour card. And you can see they're slightly different, but it's the technique I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me again, and you take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.